Hey Sherry Vans, Mike Sherry here. Today I get to show off this 2009 really clean Honda Odyssey. It does have the side entry VMI in-floor power ramp system on for mobility purposes. Van just got traded in on a newer mobility van. Has super low miles on it for the year, under 45,000 miles. I did now drive this van down the road. Drives out really good. Has Michelin tires all the way around that are not original, which is nice. So the tires have been replaced, and it's got the 3.5 liter V6 engine, 5-speed automatic transmission. Brakes felt good. All that drivability stuff really checked out during my test drive. Now the front windshield, I always like to check that for cracks and things like that. No issues there. Front end looks really nice and good as well. Now coming around here, I did mention that it does have the Michelin tires on it. I don't see any dry rot or anything like that, and tread looks ample. 16-inch Honda alloy wheels. Then while we're down here as well, you can see it is a VMI upfitted van. We sell VMI vans brand new. They're one of the larger producers of side entry mobility vans, and they build a great product. So let's go ahead and show off this van. I'm going to open up this door. It has a keyless entry. I just hold this button here. Power door comes out. Once the door opens up all the way, you can see the ramp coming out of the floor. It's a power ramp, about 30 inches wide. Makes for a slick system. So once you get it deployed, you can wheel your chair up in here. There's 3 different positions that you can put your chair in. You can put it in this position right here in the center of the van. There's the tie-down tracks all throughout this to keep your van secure. And then the other 2 positions are the driver area. So both the driver and the passenger seat are removable. They're on little wheels, and you can literally just wheel them right out this ramp, which makes it super nice. So yeah, you can remove either one of these vans. No tools really required, just a couple of hands. And the way this particular van's set up, it does have the easy lock system underneath the passenger seat here. So when the passenger seat's removed, it's got the easy lock system. And if you're unfamiliar with that, it's kind of like a 5th wheel hitch for your wheelchair to keep it secure. So that's a nice feature there. So the past owner obviously used their wheelchair in that passenger position, but it can still be used in that passenger position or the driver position, or right back here in the center. So cool thing there. It does have rear heat and air conditioning controls. It is a VMI van, so you have some fail safes. If the ramp would happen not to go out, you've got your sure deploy right here, and you have your manual override in the floor where you can crank it out, worst case scenario. I always like to say it's there just in case, but I've never actually heard of anyone actually having to use that. A couple beverage holders back here, nice glove compartment there. Still has your rear bench seat here for seating for up to 3 people. And another beverage holder. Another little compartment there for storage. So, all right, let's go ahead. I'll show you how this ramp works one more time. So to go in, let's get a little bit bigger at angle here. Just hold the button. The ramp will go in, and the door will come closed. Pretty sweet. And just to reverse, I'll do it again. Hold the button. Door comes out. Or door opens, I should say, and then ramp comes out. I love it. I like the in-floor ramp because it's kind of hidden, it's out of your way. It's not obstructing anything, and I like the power option there as well. So I did want to show you this couple scuffs on this lower skirting here. Looks like this got some touch-up paint on, just cosmetic, nothing major there. All right, go ahead and button that up. Coming around here to the rear of the van, does have your rear tailgate, wiper back here, and also that window back here is self-defrosting, electronic defrosting. Room for cargo. Everything back here looks good. Now, one question we get a lot of times on these pre-owned vans is, can you get financing on them? And the answer is yes. And what our internet people have created for those of you who are shopping online, if you are interested to see if you qualify and what your rate, payment, and term will be if you do, just click on the finance link that I'll post down below. It's super easy. A lot of our customers take advantage of that website. Saves them a lot of time. So power door on this side, again, I just hit that with the keyless entry. All right, let's go ahead and jump in the cockpit and we'll take a look. So up here, starting at the door, we've got some nice features here. It's got the heated mirrors, power locks and windows. Kind of a catch-all for storage in the door itself. Has power driver's seat over here. Seat itself is factory and looks good. I don't notice any major rips or anything like that in it. And we'll go ahead and start it up. Fires right up. And then get the radio turned down. Sorry about that. So on the odometer here, it has 42,262 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash. You know, this has really low miles for the year. Toyotas are known for their reliability as well. This here is that easy lock system, which I mentioned is underneath the passenger seat. This will allow you to release it, and also it gives a audio warning if you are in drive and trying to drive with it not fully engaged. So it's letting you know, hey, that wheelchair could move around. You can open and close power doors right here, and you can turn the whole system off if you want. On the steering wheel, you've got volume and tuning controls for your radio, cruise controls for driving. Again, automatic transmission, it's 5-speed in this. And then you have a CD player. It's a 6-disc compact CD player, AM, FM radio. And then your heat and air conditioning controls down here. It's a simple system. You do have 3 zones. You have your driver's zone, rear zone, and passenger zone. You can sync them all together, or you can run them all independently from one another. Nice storage. These have been added here by VMI. Nice center area. All around, really nice, clean van. Great price on it right now. If you've been looking for one of these, you know how expensive they are brand new. This one still has a lot of life left in it. Only 3 previous owners, never been in an accident. This is what we call the history report. And we post these on our website, so I know I'm going through it pretty quick, but you can check this out. There's 7 pages of it on this one. And yeah. So yeah, if you think this will work for you and solve some transportation needs that you currently have, let us know. We'd be happy to help you. We generally stock about 30 to 40 mobility type vehicles in stock. So if this don't work for you, we have new ones, we have used ones, we have big ones, we have small ones. Sounds like a Dr. Seuss song, but with that, I'm going to end there. If you made it this far, thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit of your day, and we hope to help you out and see you soon. Take care.